Welcome! If you're looking to take control of your Instagram notifications and want to stop getting those constant like alerts, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps on how to turn off like notifications on Instagram quickly and easily. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and head straight to your profile. You'll find your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're there, look for the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. This is the menu icon. Tap on it to open up a list of options. Next, tap on the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. This will take you to the main settings menu where you can customize your Instagram experience. From the settings menu, find and tap on notifications. This section controls all the alerts you receive from Instagram, so it's where you'll make the changes to stop those like notifications. Within notifications, tap on posts, stories, and comments. This is where Instagram groups together notifications related to your content and interactions. Now, scroll down until you see the Likes option. Here, you'll find the choice to control notifications specifically for likes on your posts. Simply select Off to stop receiving notifications every time someone likes your photos or videos. And that's it! You've successfully turned off like notifications on Instagram. This simple change can help reduce distractions and keep your notification feed focused on what really matters to you. Feel free to explore other notification settings while you're here to customize your Instagram experience even further. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more peaceful Instagram feed.